In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Rithmic Trader Pro. Now, it's actually very simple to use it, however, it may look confusing if you're using it for the first time. So let's just go ahead and go over the very basics of how to actually use it. So the first time you actually open up your Rithmic Trader Pro, what you're gonna see is basically a blank space over here in the middle, and then over here on the left, you can see your launch platform. Now, you can see this part over here. This is kind of as an, we could say kind of a shortcut menu over here. So this basically will only have the shortcuts, which you can basically use to then open up different windows on here on your screen. So let's just go ahead of how this actually works. Now, you can just click any of these things over here and it's going to pop up something on your screen. So for example, this has been the recent orders. You can go ahead, open up your positions, you can open up the performance, and of course you can keep opening this as one after another as separate windows. So we can go ahead and if you go down here, you'll be able to see all the windows separately like this, and you can hover over them and just open them. Now, if you want to close them down, of course, you can do this with this X button over here. You have a bunch of different ones over here. So we have like the quote board, the order book, drip orders, trader dashboard, etc. And of course, you can open any of these. Now, these are basically the same as if you go to file up here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different ones over here. Not all of them are going to be over here, but like most of them are going to be. So as you can see over here, most of them are. And if any of them aren't, you can just open them up like this by clicking on that. And there we go. It's going to pop up on your screen as well. So this part and the file part is basically the same. Over here, you can also, of course, save your settings, retrieve settings, allow plugins, check for updates, etc. But these are like the more advanced things you likely won't be needing anytime soon. Over here, where it says trade, you can also go ahead and either place a trade by clicking on that. You have to choose your account, have to choose the exchange, the duration, etc. And then here you can just place the orders. You can go ahead and then just choose the drip orders. You can choose the pre-open orders. You can search for symbols. You can go ahead and then basically see the easy to borrow list. You can go ahead and see the restricted and then the trade following list over here. Now, if you go to window, over here you can see a bunch of different things. So you can either hide or show the launch bar, as you can see. You can hide or show the preferences. You can hide or show a bunch of different things over here, which you can of course just spin onto your screen whenever you want. If you want to actually restore the defaults, you can click on restore all windows and then it's going to restore the defaults, which basically looks something like this on my screen right now. You can also get help. If you click on that, you can see their guides. They're basically pro traders guides. You can use the time converter, so of course if you want to, you can sync clock to Rithmic's clock, or you can see everything about Rithmic Trader Pro. Now over here, when you open up a specific window, so let's say for example you open up the chart, you'll be able to see this on your screen. Now, there will always be a bunch of different buttons up here. So whatever I open up, as you can see, the same buttons are appearing. If I click on this one, it's basically not going to show as a separate window anymore. So as you can see, it's not a separate window, and now it is a separate window again. It's going to basically get pinned inside this area over here, inside the Rithmic Trader Pro window, of course, the program, okay? So that's what this is going to do. The second one, you can basically save this window, you can give it a name, save as a file, as a default template, take a screenshot, print it, etc. And then this one over here will basically restore the original templates as the default. Now, this one will clone the window, so we're going to get another window like this in here, as you can see, just cloned. And then this thing over here, where you can see the T above it, you can change the font, you can put it on full screen, hide the banners, etc. So a bunch of things you can do in here as well. Here at the very last, you can export this as a CSV, export it periodically, create a live streaming spreadsheet, etc. So a bunch of different things in here. Now, one thing you're likely going to be analyzing a lot are the charts. So inside the charts, what's very important, usually you're going to have to know the symbol and then the exchange name, so you can of course show different data on your chart. And the way you do this is you would have to type in, for example, btc.kraken, okay? So like this, let's say this is one, and then of course whenever you press enter, if this actually was valid, it would show on your chart over here. You then have to select your account, and then you're ready to go. Now, Of course, if you don't actually know these, you can just double click on here. So if you don't know the symbols and exchanges, double click over here and you'll be able to find a lot of different ones over here. They'll show you the list and everything that has to be basically shown on there. So let's say you want this one, you can just double click that or click on add over here. It's gonna get added to your chart automatically over here. It's not showing the chart right now for me. I'm not sure why, but usually, of course, it's going to work perfectly. Now, that is pretty much how you use the Rithmic Trader Pro. This is how much there is to it. It has basically some quite easy functionalities, but it can be a bit confusing when the first time you are using it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.